Are you looking for an easy way to delete your TikTok stories? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily delete any unwanted stories from your TikTok profile. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the TikTok app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, find and tap on your TikTok story. So now, in order to delete the story, tap on these three little dots at the bottom right. And then simply tap on the delete button at the bottom. And then it will show you this pop-up. Delete this story. Just tap delete to completely delete this specific story from your TikTok profile. And now you've successfully deleted your story from TikTok. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.